What's up, guys? Sorry. Welcome back to my channel, Today we're going to be exploring these woods you see right here. I'm already in the woods. This is called the White House. You know the White House on Bunker Hill School Road, you know what I'm talking about. And then there's a silo right there. I'll take you in a minute. There's the house if you can barely see it. And then now, what's that you see? Yeah, it's old farm equipment. Doesn't move or do anything. And just cruise along. And then, ooh, what's that? It's a barrel. Yeah. And then, ooh, what's that? It's just old tin cans. And then, guys, you walk over here, and what's this? This is a plow thingy, my bobber. That thing that moves the thing out of the way, so you can like a gardener tool thingy, my bobber. And then that is, I have no clue. Oh yeah, that's a plow, and that's I have no idea. Oh, that's a dethatcher. And then that thing right there is a wood chipper. That thing right there. And that's I have no idea, no clue. Anyways, let's go keep exploring. Oh yeah, and did I tell you guys it's going to be a short video today? Well, it is. Anyways, just please don't click off this video. I'll be super mad at you if you do. Ooh, what's that? You see that? What the flip? I haven't been down this way. Let's keep exploring this way. I think that's a tree stand. That's one of my friends' tree stand. Anyways, let's keep exploring. Heck yeah, guys. This is so fun, isn't it, right? Should I make more videos like this? I'll take you up in the siren a little bit. There's more barrels and stuff. Kind of like there's a freaking creek in the woods. Ooh, what's that? You see that? See that, guys? See that? A pipe. It's a pipe cleanup thing, my bobber. Oh, and I found a creek. See? And then I'm gonna see what's over here because I really want to know. I got a buoy. But Jim Briars. It's like there's a freaking trail right here, isn't it? It just seem like a trail. A highly traveled trail, it seems like. Not highly traveled, but a slowly functional thing to explore. I love exploring new things, guys, so, especially when I'm by myself. I like making YouTube videos about it too. And now I'm kind of lost. I lost the trail. And always remember, guys, the way you go up, how you go down that's a sign that I gotta go back in a minute. After I freaking figure out what the freak this is. Part of the creek. Holy crapper doodles. What's that? Alright guys, it's time to go because we ain't gonna be able to take a trip to the silo if we ain't. See, but that's just so weird, guys. Don't y'all think? And one day I'll take in a metal detector trip on this in these woods too. Kind of want to go up here, kind of, guys. And y'all know that I'm a terrible YouTuber. I've been said that about 10,000 times. Anyways, I like pulling down trees like that, breaking them. Trying to see if heck yeah, y'all guys. I found a new way back. Heck yeah. Cause I like to explore new places so I can tell if I've seen it or not. What the flip is that? It's a barrel. It's a bucket. And some kind of can right there. It's a barrel right there and some kind of can. No idea. This is very recent. Oh, frick, I forgot about the video. Anyways, guys, that was fun. Oh, that's probably a boring part in the video, but it'll be alright. There's so much trash, don't y'all think? See, trash. Who knows what the flip this is? It looks like a salt container. Trash, tire. Getting back on the trail. See? It's like, what the flip is that? Anyways, here's some more fun, but it's a bed. I ain't really fun. Anyways, guys, I'm going straight back now because it's time to go to the silo. If my dad says, come on, Bear, I gotta say, bear with me. because he doesn't know I'm making a YouTube video. Probably gonna be mad at making a phone. But it is what it is. And there's something. We're back to normal place. There's a wasp up in that silo, but I don't know if it's going to disturb me or not. I'm up in there. I'm a little scared of freaking wasp. They freaking sting and they freaking hurt. There's that. There's more foam equipment over there, but I don't feel like over there. I just kind of feel like messing around. Looks like an old wheat thing. I'll go over there and check it out. Shit. Probably what he saw. Guarantee you that's what he saw. Yeah, it's an old type of trailer. Wagon, dune buggy wagon thingy. See? Alright, stop messing around. Anyways, guys, that's the silo and that's the house. And I go through to tall grass. That's top to bottom. This is Snake Village right here. See, guys, I'm just so stupid. I don't even know how to make a video or YouTube channel, to be honest. All I do is suck balls, to be honest. Maybe not really, but suck balls at doing this shit. Sorry for my language. Anyways, that's the silo that we're about to go up in. And there's a wasp up there. And I ain't climbing up this tower thingy right there because them thingies right there. Because it's a little spooky. Anyways, this ain't gonna be a short video neither. It's gonna be one of my classics. Echo! See how good it echoes? And here's the explosion. Wasp better have got out. And I'm continuing my journey. I've done been up here 1,000 times, to be honest. And there's the door. And here's it is. See those woods right there? Anyways, here's our yard that we mow. It's so good. It's better than our yard, to be honest. Man, that's loud. Let's see. Let me zoom out. See, there's a yard. Don't y'all think that looks very good and cool and crap? Y'all gotta know that looks cool. It was very cool, don't it, guys? Well, I accidentally shut the door, so I have to jump off this. And I don't really want to, so I have to kind of jump. This is crap right here. Just shut that. I shouldn't have. It's so heavy. Let's see if I can do it. Just kidding. I don't have to do it. Maybe hopefully there's not a wasp waiting for me down here. Like last time. It's like, no, guys, it's like, Mommy, Daddy, I'm going downstairs. Well, we don't have it downstairs. Have you ever not noticed this hatch right here? I said, no, there's not even a hatch here. Well, you're blind as a bat. Oh, I thought we were stuck up here forever. I don't think you should go down there. Well, I always have. I met a man cave down here. Bye-bye. And I've always had a lock, so just in case. You have, so lock, lock, lock. Screw you. Freaking screw you. Oh God, the flip was that? Anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap it up today, maybe, if I can't find anything else to show you. Anyways, guys, that's the house right there. That's the yard. I got a drone that I normally take pictures with, but I had to take it up there because it's just, that's what I had to go through right there. See that big mountain right there? I was playing with her. I was like an idiot. I got bit by a snake a few weeks ago. It didn't feel good. Not a rattlesnake, it was a normal copperhead. I got bit by it though. I got rushed to the hospital. I think I was alright. Probably wouldn't think I was able to get back in there. I don't give a frick. There's the woods. That's gonna wrap it up for y'all for the rest of it today. And goodbye, y'all guys that listen to me, do the whole video. And if you big fan of Roman Howard, go check his videos out. And shout out to my best friend Jacob and all the rest of the people in the school. And shout out to Oxford Elementary School. Goodbye and peace.